Hey guys, if you're subscribed to my channel, then you've probably seen the short that I just posted on this product. This is the Fire Maple camping stove, hiking stove, whatever you want to do, for backpacking. It's lightweight. My review, it was quick. I was upset. I was out in the field and it was negative. And I will tell you why. I got out in the field, I went hunting, and I went to go make my meal, and it would not fire up. So I ended up having to cancel my hunt, come home, and hunt was ruined. I was disappointed. I've been waiting for it. My daughter has a big birthday coming up, so I don't really have the opportunity to get out, and that was it, and it was actually ruined by my Fire Maple stove. Now, I will tell you this, once I got home, looked it over, I realized, well, actually out in the field, I kind of assumed what I believe to be the problem. And if you look, if you look in there, then you can see the O-ring in there. And so what happened was, after, inspecting it, I could see the O-ring just was looking beat up. Okay, so, I'm gonna tell you, if you didn't see my short, what happened was, I ordered this off of Amazon, got it just in time to go on my hunt. When I got it, I hooked up a fuel canister to it just to confirm it worked properly. It did, so I packed it, took it. And then, of course, when I got out in the field, all hell broke loose. Actually, nothing broke loose, nothing happened. It ruined my camp, my hunt, whatnot, and I had to come home. So with that said, the reason for this video is, if you've had this issue, or if you've ordered one, you'll know that they're non-returnable, and it's something you don't find out until you get it, and it doesn't work. Or if you go and look at the negative comments, they'll be there. I saw so many positive reviews that I was happy. I was good. Let's do it. Let's try it. So if, again, you end up in this situation, or are in this situation, I've learned the fix for this. I actually went on Amazon and bought this set of O-rings. Now, for this, you only need the 11 mil O-rings. But this is $10 for 880 pieces of O-rings. So, you could probably get just that size for half the price, but 880 O-rings, I can always find a use for, all these other sizes. If not, I got them, if I need them. If I don't, I don't. So, I got those today, went on and replaced the O-ring, and you can see, that O-ring looks good. It looks a lot better than the original that came in there. The original, I'm not sure what they use. It's cheap. It's beat up. It like, pretty much from screwing on the canister 2 times, it was ruined. Like I said, Amazon doesn't do returns on these. So it's like, if you're in the situation, I suggest you order these, swap it out. And because you get so many of them, I would actually keep spares, because there's 60 pieces of the 11 mil size O-rings in there. So I would keep spares with me in the field. So if it does go out again, you have replacements. So, I haven't used it in the field. I did try it again at home, here at home, was able to, get the water boiling. It worked pretty good. I mean, the water boiled fast. So, as long as you have your O-ring situation taken care of, it seems to be pretty good. I'll do an update on it after getting some good use out of it, because I've seen some reviews where, people were melting all of this. I get an idea that it's improper use. It says make sure you always have fluid in there when using it. If it's empty, you will burn this. another thing I've seen where people are burning the plastic right here. So, you know, I'm not sure how they're doing that either. I hope I don't have to find out. I hope my biggest problem is that O-ring and it's taken care of and I have spares. But like I said, I will keep you guys posted and updated on how things go the more I use it. If you don't really know much about the Fire Maple, it's a cool, you know, all-in-one set where you pretty much pack it all in this little setting. And if you get the small canister of fuel, it will fit in here too. I actually got a larger canister, which is 230 grams. I think you need the 100 grams for it to fit. So this will not fit, but I know I got plenty of fuel. And pretty much all in one system. Carry it along, seal it up. And it actually has the carry bag too to go with it, which I have that around here somewhere, but that is basically what I wanted to show you guys. So if you guys are checking out this video because you're having a problem with your Fire Maple, I hope this helps out. If you are looking at this video because you've considered the Fire Maple, I hope this helps with your decision also. I'd appreciate a good thumbs up if you appreciate this video, and a subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.